MORT squad's here. We're in Phoenix, out of fishing for now. Hoping to find some goods today. So let's throw the magnet in. We got the 360 Titan from KRATOS. Let's get after it. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe, help us get to 1,000. We're almost there. And remember to use our code AZMORTSquad12 at checkout at KRATOSmagnetics.com. Let's go. Tell your brother about it, or your cousin. We found the bike frame. Crew loves to work on bikes, so I'm gonna have a new project on his hands. Look at that thing. Get a new sprocket, get some rims, tires, seat, and you're ready. There's a few things as a magnet fisher you always want to find cool bucket list finds. And yo, we just found one of those new Bluetooth phones, but if you need to call anybody, call Easy Mort Squad. Make sure you subscribe when you reach the voicemail and help us get to 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there. We'll be doing a giveaway.
There might be a gun.
Dude, guys, look at that. Do you know what that is?
Full loaded mag. Push it down, see if it's full loaded.
It is full loaded.
Okay, you can see inside right there. So
It's a hollow point.